Hello everyone, let's check out the fastest way to level up your cards in Clash Royale. The first way could be that open up your shop, and over here just scroll down, and right over here you get this option. You can get the daily deals where you can spend your gold and get the cards quite easily. Since you always have a great amount of gold, you can utilize this gold to purchase these cards, and this is a great deal and this will help you improve your card level quite easily. Also participate in all the different events over here on the main screen, and you can also go with this rewards over here. Get a deck that can make you win the battles, and this way you would be able to get a lot of cards and then you can upgrade them. And when we check out this section of magic items, then over here spend all your wild cards for a card that you actually like and would want to keep for a longer duration of time. This way you would be spending all your wild cards on one single card and it will level up way too fast, and this way you would be able to level it up quite faster. And having a good deck can help you out winning the different battles, and you can also join a clan. This is one of the great way to get the rewards. The clan rewards are great way to improve your card levels, and these are some ways that you can utilize in order to improve or level up your cards quite fast. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.